Hi, my name is Savannah, and welcome to Sally's Creativity Corner. And if you haven't subscribed, or if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Today, we are opening Na 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 Surprises. Now, I'm just going to open it. Woo! And forgot the straw. If you have never seen a Na 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 doll, you have to have the straw because it's part of the unboxing, so it's really hard to get it out. Alright, there we go. Now, you get this, and now you flip to the other side, and you'll find a hole in one of the upper layer things, and then you stick the straw inside the hole like this. Then blow. Oh, confetti. Whee! Alright, set the confetti aside. And now, I just have to unfold this and there. Now, open it from here and yeah. And you get 2 surprise bags and aw, this is cute. Now, let's open this one. The outfit, we'll show this later once the doll's been unboxed. Now, aw, cute little shoes. Which I don't know what is on it, but it's time to find out what our doll is. But not quite time. Still more unboxing. Whoa! Now, let's see how good she looks. Aw, she has really long hair, like most of them. Now, open the tag and take the other tag piece out. And now, you find warnings, and then she looks like a mouse. That's cute. Now, here we go. A little dress. Aw, adorable. Now, I'm going to show her to you after she is all dressed. Now, I'm just panicking because her dress is all done. Now, it's time for her shoes. They smell like cheese. Well, that makes sense. You get it? Because she's a mouse and mice like cheese. So this smells like cheese. Now, 3, 2, 1. Isn't she so adorable? Oops. There we go. Now, this is really adorable. And if you've seen my other unbox in Na 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 dolls, you will see I had this one. These 2 smell delicious, but these 2 are great enemies because this one's a cat. I'm sorry if you didn't like that. I'm setting them apart. Alright, now that's it for now. Bye!